Red Salt Alchemy. Welcome to the Stephen School Alchemy YouTube channel. I'm getting ready to open the sun dome because I just noticed it looks like the salt has turned red. Let's check it out. Nice. Look at the salt. It's like the tree of Hermes climbing the sides of the glass. Recrystallization. In old alchemy symbols, they showed ladders. They represented salt, recrystallization, purification. Nice coloring in that salt. This is my crystal growing experiment that I've been working on. A matrix of iron filings and a saturated solution of the golden water that I extracted from iron pyrite. That contains my green lion acetate salt to do the imbibitions. Solve et coagula. A white salt began recrystallizing on the sides of the glass bowl, but now it appears that the white salt has turned, or is turning, red, or a reddish color. It's interesting. This is Alchemy of Stephen School, not for consumption.